Well, and you. We got Grandma in here too.
Can I have something? What do you hear? Uh-oh, there's a fire engine. Yeah. What are they doing on this street, by the way?
We're fixing a gas leak. Obviously, it wasn't severe enough to evacuate.
You watching Daddy?
Should Daddy play peekaboo? Peekaboo!
Did Daddy do that? Yeah, look, watch. Let go. I'll show you. Watch how it spins. Watch. If you let go, I'll show you how it spins. Are you dancing? Dancing. Who's here? Everybody's here but Mommy. Mommy's working. Yeah? Look, move that. Watch. 1, 2, 3. What Grandma did. 1, 2, 3. You got Grandma's hair before. Jumpy.
No, I'm not playing with you now.
He just gave the lip. He was mad.
What happened? Yeah, you want it? Okay, I'm not going to take it. Because you want to eat? Yeah. Now you're eating it. Yes. Oh, that's so good. You're going to hey, Brandon, you're going to choke. Look at me, I'm dancing. We have to play.
Peekaboo!
Yeah.
Peekaboo!
Are you getting a tooth? Is that why you have all those things in your mouth? Are you getting one? What did you get? This is your claw. Look, you have to make it move. Look. Eric, is this supposed to go on and light up or something?
Yeah, it does. It turns on the front.
Oh, in the front. Let's see. Over there? Over here? How does it turn on?
Yeah, it does. Push it to the left.